Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start invoicing with FreshBooks easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the FreshBooks website. Click on the sign up button if you don't already have an account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Once you've completed the registration, check your email for a confirmation link from FreshBooks. Click the link to verify your email and log in to your FreshBooks account. Upon entering FreshBooks, you will be greeted by the setup wizard. Follow the prompts to input your business details, such as your business name and address. Select your business type and set your currency preferences. Next, navigate to the Invoices tab on the left sidebar. Click on the New Invoice button to start creating your first invoice. Fill in the necessary fields, including the client's name, invoice date, and payment terms. Add line items to your invoice by clicking Add a line item. Enter the description, quantity, and rate for each service or product. Make sure to check the subtotal and total amounts at the bottom of the invoice. If applicable, add any taxes or discounts to your invoice. Once you're satisfied with the invoice, click on the Save button. You can choose to send the invoice directly through FreshBooks by clicking Send Invoice. Alternatively, you can download it as a PDF and send it via email manually. After sending, keep track of your invoices by returning to the Invoices tab. Review the status of each invoice to see if it has been viewed or paid. Follow up with clients as needed to ensure prompt payment. Use FreshBooks reporting tools to analyze your invoicing and cash flow. That's it. You're now ready to start invoicing with FreshBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.